Today we are going to make Pomfret Rava Fry. For that, for the marination, we need red chili powder, salt, turmeric, ginger garlic paste, tamarind paste, and little bit of refined oil. You could use coconut oil as just going to give this a nice mix, and we're just going to massage each piece of fish with this, coat this with masala. As you must have seen, I put the salt little more in the beginning into the marination, because later we are going to coat it with the rava and rice flour mix. So you can also add salt to that, but I prefer adding it to the marination and just leaving the coating plain. If you want, you could add some here, add some there. Now as you can see, all of this is coated well. We are going to keep this aside for at least 30 minutes. 15 minutes also in case you are in a hurry, but otherwise 30 minutes should do. I put it in a box for marination, and we are going to refrigerate this. Now our fish had been marinating in the fridge for almost half an hour, and we are ready. So for the coating, we are going to add 1 cup of rava, like you can take really fine rava, and half a cup of rice flour. Okay, like I said earlier, we would be, you could add little extra salt to the marination, or you could add some more salt here to this mix. If you like it spicy, you could add more spices to this mix as well. We like our food medium spicy, so I'm not going to add anything to this. So put some oil in the pan, let it heat. While the oil is getting heated, the rava and rice mix that we have done, we are going to take our marinated fish and coat it with this mix. We're going to put this in the pan. We are going to fry this on a medium flame. Now we are just going to flip, cook to the other side. Can you hear the sizzling? Like we have one of the memes doing the round, the only kirkir that I love in my life. Of course, the sides are bickering, that happens all the time. Now we're just going to flip, cook to the other side. So it's nice and crispy on both the sides. We're going to repeat the process for the remaining fish. It's nice and crispy on all the sides. And our Pomfret Rava Fry is ready.